Hello everyone, this is Miss Cat. I do want to share about the first annual Weave Buddy 3-day non-surgical hair replacement conference. It's going to be in San Diego, California near the airport at the Catamaran Resort Hotel. August the 14th, the 15th, and the 16th, 2023. The registration fee is $1,800. There is a class kit included in the price for all of the various methods that we're learning. And there are payment plans available. Learn all 3 Weave Buddy applications to build a strong base on any type of hair texture and hair loss. On the last day, we will be getting into the more advanced severe hair loss. We will be learning the Weave Buddy method, the Crochet Buddy method, and the Braidless Buddy method. Hey ladies and guys, make a vacation out of it. It's sunny San Diego for Pete's sake. Call or text me for more details. 858-752-4900. Thank you, and God bless you.